guys want to send my partner to there, you see that I think about it. Here, step diagonal towards my leader, or my follow, and from here I have this direction, I have this direction, and even if you go back. So from here right now, I'm thinking about relax and redirect my partner to a new line. Okay? Once we redirect my partner to a new line here, right? We just do a simple turn back to the base. Okay? So to that moment, without stop, I'll look like this. Move, hold, step, 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 back into basic. Now, we're going to do our variation with our airplanes, even the back from my partner. So from yo-yo, you guys have a couple options. First option, at the step, give your right, push your partner away here. Now, I could just cross in, I fix it. Same thing, just shift the partner away, and return over here. Now, we also can arrive here, and at the same time that I'm arriving here, I want to make sure that I'm going to be kind of leading my partner a little bit with my arm, and then sending an airplane's arms, return into my basic. Okay? Gabriel, I don't want to send my partner with my arms. Can I try lead that with a Wi-Fi here? It's a possibility, visual. Maybe my partner doesn't understand, and that's okay. Just gonna try to think about your single turn. Okay? Now for that, you guys are breaking your basic. So once you guys hear it right here, it's very important for you guys to move, hold, to equalize with my partner on the same foot. Yes, I'm gonna put a song, and I'm gonna give you guys two versions of the same movement. And you tell me which one you guys like more, one or two. Version one.
Si dos personas se aman y pelean, ellos no se ignoran. Se dan besitos, se llaman, se mandan mensajes de texto, hablando de sexo. Que el amor no se quede en palabras y se las lleva el viento. No le echen la culpa a Mercurio, si yo me quiero ir de vacaciones en julio contigo. No estoy hablándote de orgullo, estoy diciéndote que este corazoncito es solo tuyo. Besito de eso para mí, solo tú sabes lo que haré por ti. Bebé, no te pongas así, que el amor no para sufrir. Besito de eso para mí, solo tú sabes lo que haré por ti. Bebé, no te pongas así, que el amor
What was different between version one and version two? Intention. Playing, more pause. I was not afraid to take my time to do the movement, right? So I can do everything in a liner. And it's gonna look good, it's gonna look okay. But once you do a pause, you guys can increment so much more and make it a little bit more special too. Okay? When you guys go, think about that. Okay? Yeah, I know that we think about to be on time all the time, and it's important for us. Yes, it is. But don't forget to enjoy it for yourself too. Very, very important. Reading is so important. Now, you guys hear exercise, right? For musicians. It's just how you guys gonna subdivide it. Okay? Don't need to be a musician for that. So you have your, let's say, our 4 beats. Let's put like that, very simple. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. what I want for you guys to think about. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys are gonna have this variation, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's long, quick, quick. Long, quick, quick. Now, once you guys divided our regular zouk timing, you guys are gonna divide it 4 by 3, but it's not possible, right? So what you guys are gonna have is 1.5, 1.5, 1. So we're gonna be a little longer, short. Okay? So that's what we're gonna say, move, hold, step. It's impossible for me to say 1.5, 1.5, 1, 1.5, 1.5, 1. It's gonna be very, very polite. So thinking about right now, use the same language, but you guys think about long, long, short. Long, long, short. Long, long, short. Right? And you can do long, short, short. Long, short, short. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Long, long, short, long, long, short. You see that it's different, but give a little nuance how you are choosing to play with the music. Okay? Now, I did this not as a musician. I did not like give music theory for you guys right now. Just giving an exercise for you guys to do at home. So take your music that you like it, and you try to dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very hip hop, like you're gonna feel very groovy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you guys can go a little bit more legato, a little bit more long. Move, hold, step, move, hold, step. Long, long, short. Long, long, short. Long, 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 short. Take the same music and try dance with these different sensations. Yes, you guys promise you guys are gonna do this for next class. Gucci Gucci. Okay, I'm gonna bring something very interesting for us, and I need you guys to do that for me. Okay? Yes? Gucci Gucci. That's it for today. Thank you very much. And let's take a picture together because we never take a picture together.